Hey guys, this is Poetspice, and I'm here to do the Anna Diamond Elizabeth Spells collab, where we are using our diamond press, our Anna Griffin, our Elizabeth Craft designs, and if you have some spell binders. So this is actually going to be an unboxing video. I've been extremely tired and still having to go to work, so this diamond press stuff just came in today, and craft day, if you didn't know, was this week. And so I literally got this 2 days after craft day. So I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. I did get some other things from Diamond Press, but this was the Ultimate Card Making Mixed Media Collection. And so this was the Today Special. So I thought I would just go ahead and show you because all of this is in the Today Special. So number one, you get a book that has all the supplies and so forth, and then it gives you instructions for techniques and so forth and so on. I don't do a lot of mixed media as far as cards go, but I guess I do. It's just not like this kind of mixed media all the time, but I have been doing a lot more in my coloring books. So I decided that, okay, I was going to get it and try it. So we're just going to go ahead and go through the stuff. Now all of this is in this kit and it has an auto ship. So that's fabulous. What I did like is that number one, it was $20 cheaper than what they had it on. And then you get, because y'all know I don't like paying full price for anything. So then you also get tools to go with it. So you have your 3 inks, and they look like they'll be pretty colors. There's another dauber, and then the little sponges to go with. And when they're, as long as their pads aren't dried out, the ink is pretty good. I like using it. Another set of something that they had in here was a set of acrylic paints. Now, I'm not really a fan for paints in the tube, but that's just how they came in this one. So you have your little rainbow, your Roy G. Biv. So that was in the kit. I don't think there was anything else in it. And I'm holding this with my hand because, like I said, I'm tired. It's been a long day, a long week. So it is what it is. So thank you for still watching. So here they give you a set of chalks, and then they give you that little chalk tool where you can put the little cotton balls. So you got the little round cotton balls, and you put it in this clip here, and you can use that clip. And it's funny because I had one of these clips before, and I'm like, what is this thing for? Well, now I know. So you've got that. And as you see, the colors coordinate. So there is that. All right. Then you have this box, which has several goodies in it. Excuse me. So you have 3-dimensional paints, which is interesting. So you got some 3-dimensional paints. I'm just going to take this stuff out of there. You've got a tacky paste, and this is supposed to do, like, you can use it wet and put like glitter and stuff, and then you can use it tacky and use it with the foil that they have in here. I imagine you could use other things as well. They have some texture paste, which is funny because some of this stuff I have like in another mixed media thing, but it just came with like the texture paste, so I didn't know what stuff it was supposed to be. Then you have some glitter paste. So you got gold and silver. And then you had 3 screen printing inks. So you still have that pink, the green, I believe this is a blue, and a blue, yeah. So it looks like those spring colors, you know. And so, of course, everything coordinates. So that was pretty good. And then you have this one, and I'm hoping it has everything because that's going to sell it. So, you know, I think I'm missing a few things here. So you get some foam wedges. You get some foam daubers. They're in 4 different sizes there. You get some tape, like washi tape to hold stencils down. Except it says diamond press. get some of these little like spatulas you use in mixed media. Get some paint brushes. So, and at first I wasn't going to get this kit because I'm like, you know, Diamond Press, I love Diamond Press stuff, but they aren't a supply company. And that's one thing that, you know, people do make a mistake sometimes, like, oh, this is so awesome. And yeah, they're really good at stamps or whatever. And then they make, oh, I don't know, some other product. And you're like, yeah, not so much. So that's one reason why I wasn't going to get this kit. But then I'm just like, we'll just try it. You know, we'll try it. And so here are the foils. There's 2 of these foils to use with that tacky tape. You have this little envelope of the rest of your goodies. So I will open it just so you can see. And I am doing this with my left hand, so that's probably bad because I'm not left-handed. But we'll just go ahead and dump it ahead. So first of all, you get another one of those storage folders. And the little label. Then you have this set of stamps. I think it's backwards. Like, I'm like sitting here like, why is that not working? Because it's backwards then. So, there you go. So that's pretty cool. So you got some extra stamps. Then you have, these are your screen print stencils. I think there's 6 of them in there. I'm not going to open those because then I'll have a problem getting them back in. You have one of those little squeegees so that you can use that for your screen printing. You have a pen. And so you see what I mean? Like, really? So I'm hoping, because it looks just like a micron pen, so I'm hoping that maybe it's just one of those types of pens and it's just rebranded. Then you have stencils with name, or not names, words. Like this one says cheers, I think, and hugs. So you've got 10 or 12 of these. I'm not going to open those either. And then you have these stencils. Now I will open these because they're bigger so you can't see them. And then that'll be the last thing I'm going to do. Like that? Yeah. These will be the last thing I have. So you can see you get a lot in this kit. So that was pretty cool. So you get these stencils. So you get this random dot stencil. Well, it's not really random because you can tell the pattern, but it has different sized holes on it. So you have that one. And then you have a quadrifoil lattice, which is always fabulous. You've got this one for these pretty cool flowers. And I don't use stencils as much for cards, but I do love doing them in my coloring books. So, like I said, this is a cute little pattern, little flowers. And then this one. So last but not least. So I did not do a project, but there is my unboxing. And I guess since it's sitting here, I can actually do a quick project. So it's Elizabeth Crafts. So here's my journal. I should have flipped through this at the beginning of the year, or, well, yeah, the beginning of the year. January. And so I can show you this page. Oh, can you see? I told you I'm so tired. Excuse me. So I did do this page, and it is made with Elizabeth Craft Designs dies. Obviously, I don't have them in here because I'm sitting in my bedroom. So it has this page where it's backed, and you can open your little windows and put things there. And this was some paper I've had forever, and I just liked it, so I was like, I'm gonna do that. And then here's the March with the tab dies that Elizabeth Crafts came out with. And then, yeah, so that's the back of the page with my tracker, and then the hole punch, the hole reinforcers. I don't think I did any other new page with Elizabeth Craft Designs. But there you go. So thanks for watching, and go check out the other ladies, and we shall see you another day. Bye.